Why is this particular cigar called 815? It is the area code of the town that we distribute from, Frankfort, Illinois. We wanted to pay tribute. 815 is the name of the stick, Toro size, Habano wrapper, Dominican filler, Sumatra binder. The Habano wrapper is so good. This cigar has flavor, it's fantastic. Comes in 20 pack, 5 pack, look at the 5 pack box. Wow. Isn't that pretty? Good stuff. Comes in a 5 pack box. It also does have the landmarks on it, like the other cigars, but these landmarks pertain to paying tribute to the hometown. So get yourself 815 by NeverAsh, and you know the drill. Show us that ash.